Actually, I can't hear you. Please tell me again. I'm from Bangladesh.
What country you want?
I'm from Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
No.
But why? And where from?
Philippines.
Oh, Philippines. Actually, actually, you don't know. I have many friends in Philippines. So, what do you do right now?
Live on Bigo, right?
Yeah,
Making live here.
yeah.
Yeah.
And
How old are you?
I'm 16 years old. 1 6.
In?
16, 1 6. I'm 16 years old. 1 6. I'm looking very young, and I'm young.
You're too young.
Yeah, of course. So tell me, say
You're
something.
too young.
Yeah, of course.
You're a minor. You are minor.
Yeah. And do you have any sibling? Do you have a sibling? And do you
No?
like to
Why?
travel? Do you like to travel? But why?
No?
Everything is no, but why? Why do you like to travel?
No? Only here in Philippines.
Yeah. So now
Yeah.
you will tell something.
What do you want? Yeah, what you want? I tell you. What do you want me to tell you?
I think are you married, right?
Why?
Yeah. Are you married or single?